Today guys, we're gonna cross the other side of Tagus River, which is the municipality of Almada. Going there, we're gonna pass by the Golden Gate Bridge version of Lisbon, which is 25 de Abril Bridge. Right?
Yes, it's right. C'est vrai.
The municipality of Almada sits on the south bank of the river Tagus. In the past, it was a famous summer destination for the court, which ended up with the construction of stately homes and buildings, which we could still see today. Almada offers one of the best views of the city of Lisbon. If you have enough time to deeply explore this place, you may visit the long sandy beaches during the summer season and of course, the delicious cuisine offered by the town. We just arrived here guys in the sanctuary of Christ the King. If you are familiar with that statue,
I think it reminds me of Christ Brazil.
yeah, Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Actually, I've read a story about the archbishop who went there and then he saw the Christ the Redeemer statue. When he returned to Lisbon, he wanted to have the same. And this is what they have here. The Christ the King statue faces the city of Lisbon. We are now in the side of Almada. We're going up guys. You have to pay 6 euros to have the view from the top. The 6 euro entrance fee will give you access to the viewing platform. An elevator will bring you up leading to the religious gift shop and another few steps using the stairs to access the platform. In 1934, Manuel Gonçalves Carreira visited Rio de Janeiro in Brazil and was inspired to build the same monument in Lisbon. In 1936, the cardinal's idea was accepted by the apostleship of prayer movement, including the other bishops in the country. It was a clear day, so we had a breathtaking view of Lisbon, its major landmarks, and the surrounding areas up to the Serra de Sintra, which is 24 kilometers away, including the Pena Palace, which is one of my previous vlogs. The 25 de Abril Bridge is a suspension bridge connecting the city of Lisbon and the municipality of Almada. This is the longest suspension bridge in Europe. Due to the increasing population, a fifth car lane was added in the 90s, then a lower deck was used as a railway track, which was part of the initial plan. Nowadays, the upper deck has 6 car lanes, while the lower deck has a double-track railway. The San Francisco Bridge and this bridge were both designed by the American Bridge Company. That is why they are identical and often compared to each other. I am now at the 25 de Abril Bridge, which is compared to the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Both are suspension bridges and they have the same color. So if you're here, parang nakapunta ka na din ng San Francisco. Before crossing to the main island, we decided to eat here.
Of course, shrimps in butter and garlic.
You can use it, you can dip it in your bread.
Wow.
And it tastes good as well, guys. Very fresh. No?
Yeah, it's nice. I think not first time, but here in Portugal eating those shrimps like when they are hot, really hot, on the plate.
First main dish arrived. We ordered fried bacalao, codfish.
You want it? Merci.
Merci.
Obrigado.
Oh, that is sea bass. Maybe that's sea bass.
Smells again nice.
Juicy.
Now I can
Fresh.
say that codfish maybe is not the best fish, but it's like really like for everyone, affordable one. Olive oil and garlic, it makes it delicious. Okay, this is fried version of sea bass, so oh, it looks very. I think I will like it because I already feel the skin, the meat is super soft.
You like sea bass in general. It's sea bass, you can. So, I knew it. He loves sea bass. Automatic. Delicious.
Yes.
That wine was super strong, guys. I'm already drunk. And it's only 4 in the afternoon. Yeah, we still have places to visit. If my video is a bit shaky, that's the wine, guys. But I'll try. Hope the gimbal will help. Wow, shells here and there. Nicey.
Yeah, if you live near
Amazing.
if you live near sea, you can have shells to decorate your home.
Yeah, we didn't eat there, guys. Very bright. It's 4 in the afternoon, and this is the view of Lisbon from the municipality of Almada. We're waiting for our ferry to come.
To bring us
We'll
back
cross.
to Lisbon.
We'll cross the river to. What's the name of the river again? Oh my god, I forgot. I'm drunk really, guys. Sorry. We'll try to sit on the second floor so that we have a good view of Lisbon. We're now crossing the river.
Take one yourself.
Yeah, if you have a ticket with zapping feature, you can use it to almost all modes of transportation here in Lisbon. Okay, we'll settle down and then let's try to get a good shot of Lisbon from the boat. The trip took us around 10 minutes to return here in Lisbon. The Castelo de São Jorge is one of the finest tourist attractions in the city that stands majestically above Lisbon. The castle is a witness of the history of the city from the Romans to the Visigoths, The conflicts between the Arabs and Christians, endured sieges by the Castilians, and even seen Portugal becoming a seafaring nation. A major restoration was made in the 1940s, making it a fascinating tourist attraction. Tourists may enjoy the watchtowers, ramparts, and the courtyards, which all enhance the whole experience. The entrance fee is €10, making it one of the most expensive attractions in the city, but I would say it was all worth it. Another reason why people come here is the viewpoint inside St. Jorge's Castle. If the monument of Christ the King offers the view of Lisbon, this viewpoint offers another magnificent panoramic view of the city, including the 25 de Abril Bridge, the municipality of Almada, and of course, the Christ the King monument. There's a cafe in this place which makes sunset viewing with some drinks a perfect combination to end your day tour. The museum displays artifacts found within the castle. Thank you for staying until the end of this vlog. The Planet V would like to thank the following people who made the last premiere a fun one. I really appreciate your love and support. For more Marites moments, you may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram by clicking the link in the description of this video. Take care, guys!